Hey yo, what's up, homies? This is Sir Gores, your UCSP teacher, and now we're going to have chapter 4, which tackles about how society is organized. So get ready, buckle up, and let's roll out. Yeah, straight down from the memory lane, the objectives. Numero uno, understand and discuss the composition of society based on the various groupings that compose it. Yeah, break it down. Second one, identify and define the different types of groupings in society. Tres, explain the role that social groups play in the formation of identities, values, attitudes, and beliefs. And the last one, describe the organized nature of social life and the rules governing behavior in society. Break it down. Alright, so the very first topic that we're going to talk about is how to form groups within the hood. So the very first reason why people would love to form groups because they have common goals and shared identity. We call this one similarities. In similarities, this could be the initial basis for individuals to be drawn together and interact more closely, and it is the basis for establishing deeper and more meaningful relationships. Say, for example, I love to watch anime, so I look for people who also share same passion with me. So we are going to form groups. That is why we have otaku groups. That is one example. Oh yeah, the groups. Groups are the smaller units that compose society. Example for this, we have religious organization, we have household, we have gangs, we have political organization, and many more. So groups have been responsible for the development and advancement of cultures, economies, politics, and other aspects of human civilization. The reason for this? Because they simply unify people. That's it. And now let me introduce you to my boy and the real OG of philosophy, Plato. So this dog right here believes that man is a social animal. Men are naturally equipped with tools such as language and reason, which means that men are driven by reasons while animals are driven by instinct. Say for example, if I am sick, I want the help of nurses and doctors in order for me to recuperate. Or if you want to improve myself, I compete with other people in order for me to develop myself or to expand my knowledge. And that's it, man. Yo, what's up, boy? So for the social group, so this one is a collection of individuals who have relationships with one another that make them interdependent. Example for this, we have the Philippine Red Cross. We also have the volunteer youth leaders for Health Philippines and other charities and foundations that can be found in our society. So interdependence is a necessary condition that exists within a social group. So meaning we need to be dependent with one another. So this one will enable its members to pursue or promote common values and principles. So for the aggregates with capital letter A. Now, this one do not necessarily influence our social actions as there might be no direct interaction and interdependence. Aggregates are subclass, subgroups within the group or the clusters within the group. The reason why they do not influence social actions because their numbers are few. And so for the individuals, it assigns great value to their relationship with people. So that is why we need to socialize with other people. If you want to be a part of the group, if you want to fit into the society, you need to conform what other people are doing. You know what? To be honest with you all, let's move on to the next topic. So we have the primary and secondary groups. So in here, members of the society belong to social groups, and it varies not only in size but also in the level and depth of interaction. And an individual is generally closest to his intermediate family, but not to distant relative. So in the next slide, I'm going to expound all of this.